Welcome back to Mind Matrix. The stock market, often seen as a gateway of wealth and financial freedom. But behind the flashing numbers, bullish runs, and billionaire success stories lies a hidden and darker side. A world where greed, manipulation, and deception can wipe out fortunes in seconds. Today, we uncover the dark side of the stock market that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. The stock market is not always a fair game. Big players, hedge funds, institutions, and even influential billionaires manipulate prices to their advantage. One common trick: pump and dump. This is how it works. A group hypes up a stock, artificially inflating its price. Retail investors jumps in, fearing they will miss out one big gain. Then the manipulators sell their share at the peak, leaving the average investors with massive losses. Imagine playing a game where your opponent already knows the outcome. That's exactly what happens with insider trading. Corporate executives, politicians, and even celebrities use confidential information to buy or sell stocks before the public knows what's happening. When regular investors make trades, they rely on public news, but insiders already know what's coming. Major company announcements, earning results, or government policies that can skyrocket or destroy a stock's value overnight. Zero commission trading platforms have made investing more accessible. But are they really free? In reality, these platforms sell your data to high frequency traders, allowing them to execute trades millisecond before you. It's called payment for order flow, and it ensures that big players always stay on one step ahead. Stock market is not evil, but it's a battleground where only the smartest survive. So how can you protect yourself? Do your own research, understand market manipulation tactics, invest for the long term instead of chasing quick profits, and follow the money. Watch what big investors do, not what they say. The market will always have winners and losers. The question is, will you be the prey or will you be the predator? The choice is yours.